Day 27 is now in the bag in the Karen Reed trial. Today was a trial without a jury. Today was a day where they just conducted voir dire of 3 potential expert witnesses that the defense wants to call, and the Commonwealth filed a motion to preclude. So before discussing anything more about the expert witnesses that were voir dire today, not in the presence of a jury, I want to cordially invite all of you, all of my subscribers and supporters and viewers, to a special Q&A session tomorrow. It's going to be a live session hosted by your very own brother Counsel tomorrow, Wednesday at 5 p.m. It is not a day of trial for the Karen Reed trial. They're going to be taking a day off for the holiday, and therefore it's a day that we can all just kind of get together and discuss, ask questions, and just have a nice conversation about the Karen Reed trial. And of course, if you've been watching my videos for all 26, 27 days of trial, and you have any disagreements or you have some questions that you want to ask, that would be a perfect time tomorrow, 5 p.m. It's going to be live. Come join us and let's have a nice discussion about the Karen Reed trial. And maybe we'll even get into some other questions that you may have about me or some other cases that you have. We'll see if we can get to them as well. So mark your calendars. Tomorrow, Wednesday, 5 p.m., Brother Counsel's channel, we're going to have a live. Now, talking about the 3 witnesses that were voir dire today, the 3 expert witnesses, 2 of them were reconstructionists, essentially reconstructionist experts, biomechanical engineers, and these guys are really, really experts. They're top stuff, and those 2 experts seem to be coming in. That's no question. But the first witness, the first expert witness, which was voir dire today, was an ER physician, also someone who has some very strong opinions about the markings on General Keefe's arms, that they are indeed from an animal and not from a car. So the judge took that under advisement. She's going to make a decision by Thursday. My guess is that she is going to allow her to testify, but only to specific that she believes that those markings are the markings of a dog, and not to be able to say that they are not consistent with a motor vehicle accident. So a very important limitation or restriction on her testimony, which I believe, if I had to guess, what the judge is going to rule. So I think that she is going to allow this first expert to testify about the injuries being consistent with a dog attack, but not specifically to say that they are not consistent with a being hit by a car. So that's my guess. The other 2 witnesses are going to be coming in, the other biomechanical engineers, and we did not get into the substance of what they're going to testify today, just really more about their background. It's more of a Daubert type of hearing, just to see whether they are actually qualified to be able to give expert witness. And certainly they seem to have qualified. And there was one question about what the scope of some of their testimony. So we're going to hear all of the rulings on Thursday, but we can also discuss that on Wednesday if you want. We can discuss anything about the Karen Reed. So certainly come Wednesday, tomorrow, 5 p.m., join us live, and we are going to hopefully have a wonderful, great discussion, question and answer. We will see you then.